Today we have been hosting representatives of the Grenada Tourism Authority and the Scuba Diving Association's annual Dive Fest and Conservation Fest here in Carriacou, where the activities we've been doing today is taking the VIPs out to a number of the conservation-based sites that we have on the island. So the first thing we were looking at was the Grenada Reef Restoration Foundation's Bio-Rock project. And the premise there is that let's look at how these guys are growing new hard corals on large structures which are powered by solar energy to promote the rapid growth of the calcium carbonate that corals need to grow. Other things we had a look at today was our outplant site. So for the last 7 years we've been running a coral reef restoration project using elkhorn corals and staghorn corals, and today we popped out to have a look at the elkhorn outplant site, where we're looking at some of the corals that we've been planting over the last 7 years. Some of them pretty damn big now. And the final thing we're looking at, we have a group of volunteers who are with us right now, and so each summer we run a coral restoration and coral education program, and during this program we encourage all of the volunteers to become reef check trained and to embark on reef check surveys. So we'll be monitoring the reefs for fish biomass, fish biodiversity, as well as looking at substrate analysis, how healthy the substrate is, how healthy the coral bed is, and also what benthic species are populating the reef that's in and around the bottom. And so with all this data that we capture on the same sites at the same time of year, each year, we can publish that data and look at comparative data over time. So we can see how the reef is improving or how it's degenerating, and look for correlational causation. So if it's improving, why is it improving? If it's degenerating, why is it degenerating? And we can pass all that information on to fisheries as well as Reef Check and other organisations.